Rickstar Club
Bye
300
guys. I love
630 for billion
you.
620
Nice
for
to
million
talk to
500
you.
6,601 plus 30 for billion 951,745,414.
OMG.
Thank you so much, Po.
A nice jade stone from the river. And this one, you look, it's so nice. It contains a lot of different colors. You look how beautiful it is. And it's like marble, you know. So beautiful, so nice. And then this one, when it's under the water, it's really color red, but when it dry, it's like this. And I saw the sparkling gold inside. Yeah, I saw a lot of sparkling gold inside this stone, and even in the skin, in the texture. And this, you look, is like a black jade. Because it's so black, but I don't have any tools to check it. That is why I'm looking to buyer for all my stones, so I can buy a test jade, or if somebody who are really rich, they can sponsor me all my equipment that I need. Thank you so much. And this, you look how beautiful it is. You see? And this one, there is a gray inside. Really, it's so nice, you know, but it is gray inside. Really looks so nice. So this all my stone. I'm looking for the buyer.